how to copy a sheet in Excel. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to provide you with a very quick and easy guide to do so. So let's get started with the video. So we can start by opening up Excel and directly heading over to one of the, workbook. You can open it up of your Excel. For example, let's say this as a workbook. Now, if you like to copy that, what we can do is we can look out for the sheet tab on the bottom of our screen like this. We have sheet 1, sheet 2 if you have created double sheet like this, and you will be creating it. Now, if you want to copy it, the easiest way you can do is you can just go over, right click on the sheet that you would like to copy, and select this option of move or copy here, and select the option of create a copy here, and you can select the option of moving, select it, and you can select it like where you want it, same workbook or another one. If you wanted another workbook, you can click on new book and click on OK once it is done, and make sure this option is checked and click on OK, and a duplicate sheet will be created very easily, and you will be directly opened with that page on your screen. You can see earlier we had 2 sheets. In this one, the copied one, we only have 1 sheet available. And once the copy is created, if you would like to rename that copied sheet, what you can do is you can double click on the sheet tab here and rename it, for example chart, let's say, and you can just go over and rename it this way. To copy many sheets, you can select multiple tabs at once like this, and once you've selected it, you can just go over and right click on it again and select the option of move and copy, and create up a copy once again to book or another new book, etc. And you can just go over and choose what sheet you would like to copy and enable this option right here called create a copy, and click on OK and confirm it up, and it will directly copy it to another Excel file, and that's it. Usually it's very easy if you'd like to copy up your sheet tab on your Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.